Hi everyone, it's Liam at Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this Boulder Grey Nissan Qashqai. Now of course this is the 2022 year model, and you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights. You also get your front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition. Coming around to the rear now, we've also got 4 rear parking sensors. You've got a reversing camera just up at the top there. Then coming into the tailgate, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60/40 split folding rear seats, which do fold flat with the boot floor. Coming out and around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with your ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. You've then got full electric windows all around, full keyless entry and start, and then coming inside we have your drive mode select just here, so you can choose between eco, standard and sport. Got your electric handbrake with auto hold, 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control as well. And then coming up to the top display, we then have your various audio sources along the bottom just here. Again, you can see AM, FM, DAB, USB, Bluetooth and Apple CarPlay. You've got your satellite navigation as well, and as you can see, you've also got a full 360-degree view camera just there. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we then have your track select. We also have your source just here, volume, onboard computer controls. Over on the right, we have your voice assistant, Bluetooth hands-free, and then your controls for your cruise control just here. Got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has done 36,102 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Nissan Qashqai, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.